Most people see dirt. Smart operators see margin. Your backyard is not decoration. It's dormant leverage. Most yards cost money, water, maintenance, time. But the right crops flip that equation. They don't just grow. They generate. Not fantasy farming. Not 100 acres. High-demand plants people already pay for every week. And many of them regrow repeatedly. Let's start with one of the fastest cash crops available. Microgreens. Restaurants constantly need fresh trays. Chefs pay premium prices for reliable supply. They grow in 7 to 14 days. Tiny space requirement. Stackable trays. High revenue per square foot. Fast turnaround. Low startup cost. Next, specialty garlic. Not generic grocery garlic. Hardneck varieties. Purple stripe. Elephant garlic. Local buyers pay more for flavor and freshness. Farmers markets move specialty bulbs quickly. One planted bulb becomes multiple saleable bulbs. Replant the largest. Sell the rest. Now herbs. Basil. Cilantro. Mint. Parsley. Restaurants burn through herbs daily. Freshness matters. They regrow after cutting. Multiple harvest cycles per season. Small bundles sell fast. Repeat demand. Raspberries. High retail price per pound. Direct-to-consumer fruit moves quickly. Plants multiply underground. Yield increases each season. Customers return yearly. Gourmet mushrooms. Oyster. Lion's mane. High perceived value. Premium restaurant demand. Small footprint growing space. High price per pound. Short growth cycles. Peppers. Especially rare varieties. Heirloom colors attract attention. Niche heat levels create niche buyers. Higher margins than generic produce. Strong visual appeal at market stands. Lavender. Dried bundles. Essential oils. Craft markets love high perceived value. Low recurring input once established. Strawberries. Ever-bearing varieties extend the season. More harvest windows. More selling days. Customers impulse buy berries. Cut flowers. Sunflowers. Zinnias. Dahlias. Emotional purchases convert quickly. High visual demand. Short growth cycles. Strong weekend market sales. Grapes. Fresh sales. Juice potential. Long-lived vines. Increasing yield year after year. Blueberries. Premium fruit pricing. Shrubs produced for decades. High loyalty buyers. Seasonal anticipation builds demand. Asparagus. Early season scarcity drives premium pricing. Few growers offer it locally. Long-term perennial production, and it's a high perceived value crop. Tomatoes. Heirloom varieties stand out visually. Flavor difference justifies higher price. Market customers seek unique colors. Strong seasonal demand. Green onions. Fast regrowth. Easy bundle packaging. Quick turnover crop. Low maintenance. Specialty greens. Arugula. Spinach. Kale. Rapid harvest cycles. Restaurants restock constantly. Fresh local supply commands premium. Garlic scapes. Bonus product from garlic. Short seasonal window. Scarcity increases pricing power. High restaurant interest. Figs. Hard to ship commercially. Local growers dominate fresh market. High price per fruit. Strong seasonal excitement. Honey. High margin local product. Strong repeat buyer behavior. Community trust increases demand. Now here's the shift. Most people treat their backyard as a hobby, but certain crops function like assets. They regrow, they multiply, they increase output over time. The key isn't scale, it's demand. Grow what people already buy. Grow what regrows. Grow what compounds. That's how dirt turns into cash. Not overnight, but season after season. Smart growers don't just plant, they position. If you're building a backyard that pays you back, subscribe, because the smartest gardens don't just feed you, they fund you.